Hi, my name is Olga and this is my channel about startups. Please, if you like my content, subscribe, give me some likes, share my videos, and just write comments. So there was one question, either if a solo founder startup is a good idea or not. And I would say that there is no right or wrong for this question. We know examples of solo startups that were successful, but we also know examples of startups with teams that were also very successful. I would say that, of course, a startup with a team that has many players in a team or several co-founders has more chances to be successful. It's just because you have more people that work on your idea, more working hours, more heads, more brains, and also more competencies. For a startup to be successful, usually you need several competencies to be closed. You have to have a CEO of the company that will go and sell the idea to investors, first partners, first clients, etc. You need, of course, an engineer who will develop the idea with an IT background. You need a product manager who will test hypotheses and bring the idea to the market, test it and bring the result back to engineers. You need someone with marketing background who will do some sales, marketing, advertising, etc. And obviously one person, a solo founder, cannot cover all these backgrounds. So if we have two same ideas and a company with one founder and several founders, probably the second one will win just because there are more brain, more people, more hands, more heads, etc. But it doesn't mean that a company with a solo founder can't exist. It's just being a solo founder, you need to fundraise or you need to have some capital, so you have these opportunity to hire people, and when you hire them you need to close the competencies I just talked about, and it's very difficult to hire people at the early stage of a startup because maybe you don't have enough money to pay them and your salary is not as high as it is in Google. Maybe you don't have such an interesting opportunity, like you don't have perks like free computers, or maybe coffee machine or a massage at your office, or maybe you don't even have an office. So it means you will lose in this battle with Google and Facebook that offer all these perks. And it means that you won't be able to hire the best talent on the market. That's why giving shares and making people your co-founders might be very attractive to some people who don't want to work in big corporations but would join a startup, but they want, of course, some equity. So that's why I think about this in a sense that you need to hire the best pool of people in the market. It means you need to share your shares, and that will help you to run faster, to run smarter, to run further. So you can start as a solo founder, but then I think you need to find the right team, the right people that will join your company and help you develop your idea. I hope that that answers your question. Please write me more questions. I will make my video based on them. Thank you. Bye.